Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn how to make this super simple crochet socks with a very elegant design. So let's go ahead and start making this crochet socks. For this project, I have taken 4-ply cotton yarn of dusty rose color and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm, as you can see here. All right, so let's start. Here I'll start by making a magic circle, 2 chains, 1 and 2, which will not count as 1 double crochet, and 16 double crochet in this magic ring. 1, 2, 3. I'll make 16 double crochets. 16 double crochets are finished. I'm going to pull this yarn like this, very tight, and then a slip stitch on the very first double crochet that we have made here. After this, I'll make chain 3 up, which will count as 1 double crochet, and 1 more double crochet in the same chain space. And I'll take this leftover thread along with this so that it will get height along with the stitches. In the next stitch, I'll make 2 double crochets. In the next one, 2 double crochets, and likewise I'll keep repeating and make 32 double crochets here. I'll see you after this. I'm done with my 32 double crochets, and I'm going to finish this round by making a slip stitch here on the very first double crochet that we have, or 3 chains which we have made at the start, like this. And now 3 chains up again, 1 double crochet, and then in the next one, these 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. In the next one, I'll make 2 double crochets. So this is again a round of increase. 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. I'll follow the pattern for this round the same way: 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and I'll see you at the end of this round. So here I've completed my last 2 double crochets. As I started with the 1 double crochet, I've ended with 2 double crochets and a slip stitch on the 3rd chain stitch that we have made at the start. Now, after these 3 rounds of increase, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 rounds of 1 double crochet in each stitch around without increase. Just 1 double crochet in each round, in each stitch around, and I'm going to make 4 rows of 1 double crochet in each of the stitches like this. No increase from here, just 4 rows of 1 double crochet. I'll complete 4 rows and I'll see you after 4 rows. Alright, so here I've completed my 4 rounds of 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, and now we will start with the pattern here like this. Here, this portion we will start with this pattern here. So I'll show you how it is, and it's going to be very simple. Here I'll start again with chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2. So this will count as 3 double crochets in the same spot. Now I'll skip 1 and 2 stitches from row below and 3 double crochet in the 3rd stitch, 2 and 3. Skipping 2 stitches from the row below, I'll make 3 double crochets in the next stitch, skipping 2 in the 3rd one, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now likewise I'll keep repeating this row. I'll see you at the end of this row. So here I've done my last pattern here, or petal you can say, and I'm going to do a slip stitch on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start, like this. Now I'll slip in to the second double crochet here, and I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet plus 1 chain for 1 chain gap, and a double crochet here in the same stitch, like this. Now in the next double crochet, in the middle one here, I'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Again, in the next pattern, skipping the first one, in the second double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. And likewise, I'll keep repeating every time. In the center double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet, like this. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So I'll keep repeating this round similar way. I'll make this round the first round of the pattern, then second round, first round of the pattern, then second round, and I'll make 7 such rounds. I'll make 7 such rounds to complete this portion, the center portion, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so here I've completed 7 rounds, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we will start with this pattern on the side and here. For this, let's count the number of patterns. We have the 3 double crochet patterns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. What we were going to do is we will leave 5 of them here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, to make the sideways here, sides of this socks. For this, let's start with the same, we'll repeat the same pattern as slip in to the second double crochet, 4 chains up, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which will count as 1 double crochet and 1 chain space, and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Likewise, I'll keep repeating this row till the 10 patterns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 patterns. Then we will revert and start with the following this pattern on and on. So I'll do one row of this till 10, and I'll show you how to do the next one. So here I've made 10 of these. Now 5 are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. Now from here I'll turn my work like this, and I'll slip into this chain 1 space to make 3 double crochets. So 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and 2 more double crochets, 3 double crochets. And in the next one, 3 double crochets, next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets in the next, okay. Likewise, I'll keep repeating till here. Again, I'll turn my work from here and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. This way, I'll keep repeating by turning on, and I'll make 15 rows. 15 rows of this, and I'll see you after completing 15 rows. Okay, so here I have completed these 15-16 rounds, and you can increase the number of rounds as per your foot size, increase or decrease as per your foot size. Now we're going to join this for the ankle part like this. Leave this here and start from the very first chain stitch here. And how I'm going to join this is, you can simply make single crochets or a slip stitch with the inside loops. I'm going to make a slip stitch with the inside loops, inner loops of both the side chains like this. Okay, I'll complete this and I'll see you after joining both the sides or the ankle part. So here I've completed this ankle part and it looks like this. Now we will do the this finishing border of this shoes, crochet shoes or socks. I'll grab my yarn and here I'll attach it and one chain, stitch up and two single crochets here. So basically in this round you have to make two single crochets in each of the chain two spokes here, 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 only in these spaces. Two single crochets like this. And we have to complete this entire round by making two single crochets all over the socks, all over the border. You have to make here and complete it till here. I'll see you after this round. So here I've completed round of single crochets and I'm going to finish this with the slip stitch here. Now what we are going to do is 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. In the next one I'll make 1 double crochet, but I'll not complete it like this. In the third one again I'll make 1 double crochet and I'll not complete it. Now I'll grab loop through all of these 3 and complete it. Chain 2, 1 and 2. In the next stitch again 1 double crochet, do not complete it. In the next one 1 double crochet, do not complete it. In the third one 1 double crochet, do not complete it, and grab the loop through all these 4 loops and make chain 2, 1 to lock it and 1 chain 1 space. So basically we have to make 3 double crochet cluster, but not all in one, in 3 different stitches. Again 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then grab the yarn through all these 4 loops, chain 2. In the next one immediately 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in 3 stitches in a row and complete it, make 2 chains up. So likewise I'll complete this round and I'll see you after this round. Alright, so here I've completed this round and I'm going to do my slip stitch on the top of this where we have made the cluster like this. Now chain 3 up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet and 2 more double crochet in the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Now without making any chains, we will continue making 3 double crochets on the top of the clusters here. 1, 2, 3. On the top of the next cluster here, make 1, 2 and 3. Likewise, keep repeating 3 double crochets on each of the cluster, on the top of each of the cluster without making any chain gap in between. And I'll see you after this. After this round, we have one more round to go of 1 single crochet in each of the chain stitches and then we are done. So after this round, I'll make one single crochet in each of the stitches here and I'll see you after that. Okay, so here I've completed this final round of 1 single crochet and my another crochet sock is ready. Let's try to fix it and here you go. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. Go ahead and try making this super simple crochet socks which look very elegant, and do let me know in the comments how you like it. Till then, keep liking. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you.